Welcome back to EM Facts, your trusted source for fascinating and informative discussions. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for new moms and breastfeeding mothers: 5 breastfeeding hands-free pumps. Here are 5 hands-free breast pumps that you can consider. LV Pump. This is a wireless and wearable pump that fits inside your bra and is controlled by an app on your phone. It has a rechargeable battery and is quiet and discreet. Einsur Wearable Breast Pump. This is a portable and painless electric breast pump that is hands-free and has 3 modes and 9 levels. It can hold up to 5 ounces per 180 milliliters of milk and has an LED display. Chef Handy Wearable Breast Pump. This is a hands-free electric breast pump with 2 modes and 5 levels. It has an intelligent switching mode that starts with a 3-minute massage and then pumps automatically. Freeney Liberty 2 Deluxe Hands-Free Wearable Breast Pump System. This is a wearable breast pump that collects milk into a boob-shaped bra insert rather than a bottle. It is designed to make breast pumping more discreet and manageable. Willow Pump. This is a wireless and wearable pump that fits inside your bra and is controlled by an app on your phone. It has a rechargeable battery and is quiet and discreet. Note that there are many other hands-free breast pumps available on the market, and it's important to choose one that meets your specific needs and preferences. Thank you for watching this episode of EM Facts. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.